Hi guys, it's Ray. I am getting ready to start my pink leopard foil tumbler, and I decided I didn't want to do this one as a wood grain like the blue one. I really wanted to girly girl this one up. So this is the pink leopard foil. I base painted a 22-ounce taper in Krylon Max Gloss Mambo Pink spray paint. So I'm going to set my foil aside so it doesn't get yucky. I was going to do a pink glitter, just pink, but I'm going to use this one called Pink Stars instead. And it literally does have pink stars in it, and then it has a pink and a silver holographic mixed in. So I think I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to mix it directly into my resin. So, because I don't need a full coverage, I don't really want a full coverage. We'll be back when I am ready for the foiling. Okay, so I am ready to foil this one. Isn't it cute right now? Those stars are adorable. So I'm gonna use my tack it over and over. I am going to apply it straight this time. I'm not gonna dilute it at all. So I'm gonna start with my printed foil first. Alright, so I am ready to start. And I can kind of see that there's some tack it here. So I'm going to smooth that on. Let it sit a second. And there's some here. Alright, so that is done. I am going to move these. That actually went pretty well. So my next step on this one is going to be more similar to what I did on the black cup. I have a little bit of foil sheets left, of leafing sheets left. And I have a tiny bit of pink. Like, this is all I have left of the pink, which this might be a full sheet folded in half now that I'm looking at it again. But that'll go perfect. And then I have a little bit of the black left. Okay, so this is dry, and I am going to not be able to pick it up with the brush. Yay! Um, this is the part where this gets messy, because I'm gonna kind of break it up a little bit here and there. Because, like I said, I want, like, kind of alternating sections of the colors. I don't want one big stretch of either one. I just want you to see that if you did order these foils thinking they were the other style, that they will still work. They'll just work in a little bit of a different way. Okay, so my sheets are gone. I typically end up using about 2 sheets on every one of these I do. I'm going to take a stiff brush. This is a Dollar Tree stencil brush. And I'm going to start burnishing it down and wiping off the excess, which will also push it into any spots I may have missed. Okay, so we are going to, look how pretty this is. Alright, so we are going to take this over and get a coat of resin on it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to put resin on this. I'm just finished mixing it up. You can see I got my mom bun decal on, and you can see that my offset is a little wonky. My Cricut has been doing this to me. Like, this is the size this offset was supposed to be, not the way it is up there. So I lined it up at the bottom thinking I was good. No, it's been defaulting and like making the offsets back to the original size, which is like 1/4 inch, but it's not showing you that it's doing that. So I've been struggling with that this week. But like every once in a while I'll get one that works fine, and then I'll get one like this. So there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to it. On my computer, looks fine. Well, looks like what I asked for. But I didn't realize till I'd already stuck it down, and this decal is difficult for me to weed, and I didn't feel like doing it again. So I don't think it hurts the cup any, but it's not perfect. But you know what? Nothing I make for you guys is perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm never going to be perfect. So, you know, that's me. So I did want to mention that I am starting to work on ideas for Ink Week 2022. So that'll be hopefully like last year, 1 week, 14 cups. I need to get started on them soon. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do a giveaway this year. If I do, it's going to be a very different giveaway than last year. because that was a logistical nightmare for me. So there probably will be a giveaway. I just don't know what yet. But I am also getting geared up to have a sale soon, within the next 2 weeks here. As soon as I can get some of these cups final coated, rims cleaned up, washed up. I want everything in the sale to be ready to ship, so if I have a good weather day, off it can go. I've been kind of a little leery about shipping this winter because it's been so cold. So, but days like where it's gonna get into the 40s for more than 3 hours, I need to be ready to go. So if you've seen a cup made, like say this one, you really wanted it, let me know now, and I can let you know if I still have the cup, and I can set it aside with your name on it, so when I put it in the sale, I'll still keep it in the sale like normal, but we can work out payments and whatnot then. So but be mindful that that is coming up. And I am done with this. Look how beautiful this is. I know there's a lot going on, but I love it. I love the glitter. I love the base color. I loved how well the foil and the leafing sheets work together. The decal's going to be a little bubbly, but you know what? The decal on every one of these has been a little bubbly, so it is what it is. I'm going to grab the other two so I can kind of try and get them side by side. So I will be right back. Okay, so this is the pink leopard. This is the like holographic rainbow leopard. If I turn a little more this way. And then the blue leopard. These two, oops, can't really see that one, can you? This one I did wood grain. These two I did the metallic on top, but you can see the decals are not perfect by any means on any of these. But I'm doing my best over here, so I'll try and get a picture of all three of them together and get it up in my community tab, because I think I have one more leopard print to go, but this pretty much concludes my leopard palooza for the foils. So the other one's just a standard black. So that is it, and I will see you in the next one.